have no fear. So, when I like to hand file, we want to make sure that we score the sides so we don't cut our client. So turn to the side. I want to see the color of my file, which is the center. So the white, the gray, or the blue. And so what I'm doing, I'm just trying to get the shape of her nails. This is the one that ran away from me. The file. So I like to get them into shape, into place before I pull out my electric file, away from the skin, before I pull out my e-file and start just filing. Okay, so now we're gonna use our electric file and keep it pretty low. Comes off magically. Again, overhand grip, file towards me. Again, overhand grip. I wanna smooth this out. The gel is so soft. That's why it doesn't, you know, me putting it on a little thicker or a little lumpier. It's so soft that it's easy to smooth out. The product moves easier, files down a lot easier.